Welcome to Prime Auto Insights, your go-to channel for the most mind-blowing cars on the planet. Today, we're diving into something that shouldn't exist but does, a 2,300 horsepower hypercar that claims to be a family car. Yes, you heard that right. This is the 2025 Koenigsegg Gemera V8, and it rewrites the rulebook on what a four-seater can be. If you love insane performance and next-level automotive engineering, make sure to subscribe right now and join Prime Auto Insights for daily deep dives into the world's wildest machines. The Gemera V8 doesn't just break the mold, it annihilates it. Just one glance, and you know this isn't your typical luxury Grand Tourer. It's low, wide, and aggressively sculpted, with aerodynamics so precise they look like they were designed in a wind tunnel by a team of mad scientists. The dihedral synchro-helix doors swing open in a way that makes a Lamborghini's scissor doors look ordinary, offering seamless access to both the front and rear seats. At the front, you get Koenigsegg's signature sharp nose design, a massive carbon fiber splitter, and active aero elements that adjust in real time for maximum downforce. The rear is pure aggression, with an oversized diffuser, centrally mounted exhausts, and a light bar that makes sure everyone knows you're driving something truly special. It's a fighter jet on wheels, and despite its four-seat practicality, it's built to dominate the track just as much as the streets. Step inside, and it's clear Koenigsegg wasn't joking about making the world's first mega GT hypercar. The cabin is a perfect fusion of Scandinavian luxury and bleeding-edge performance tech. You get memory foam sports seats, premium Alcantara and carbon fiber everywhere, and a fighter jet-inspired cockpit. The steering wheel, it's packed with OLED touchscreens and advanced haptic controls, putting every driving function right at your fingertips. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster that reconfigures based on your speed, drive mode, and even G-forces. And let's not forget dual 13-inch infotainment screens, Apple CarPlay, and an 11-speaker premium sound system, because apparently, even hypercar owners like good music. Here's the part that'll blow your mind. Under the hood, if you can even call it that, lives a 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, nicknamed the Hot V8. Alone, this monster pumps out 1,500 horsepower and 1,106 pound-feet of torque. But Koenigsegg wasn't done. They added their revolutionary, dark matter, electric motor, which contributes an additional 800 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. Combine everything, and you get a jaw-dropping 2,300 horsepower and 2,028 pound-feet of torque, making the Gemera V8 the most powerful four-seater in history. It launches from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 1.7 seconds, making it faster than a Bugatti Chiron, Tesla Plaid, and just about anything on four wheels. The top speed, a ridiculous 261 miles per hour. If this level of insane engineering excites you, go ahead and smash that like button. It helps more car lovers discover this video. But here's the real kicker. The Gemera V8 isn't just a gas-guzzling beast. Thanks to its advanced hybrid powertrain, it can also run in full electric mode, making it one of the most versatile hypercars ever made. Need to sneak around the city? The electric range lets you drive emissions-free. But when you're ready to unleash the beast, that V8 roars to life, delivering earth-shattering acceleration and a driving experience unlike anything else on the road. Koenigsegg didn't just build a fast car, they engineered a technological masterpiece. The light-speed transmission, LST, which debuted in the Jesco, is here as well, offering seamless shifts with zero torque loss. Plus, with all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering, and an advanced active suspension system, the Gemera V8 handles like a race car while still offering the comfort of a Grand Tourer. But here's the catch. This hypercar isn't for everyone. With a starting price of around $3 million, it's reserved for the ultra-rich and the ultra-obsessed. Even if you have the cash, getting your hands on one won't be easy. Koenigsegg is keeping the production numbers extremely limited. So, is the Gemera V8 worth it? Well, if you want a car that can outrun a Bugatti, outhandle a McLaren, and still take your family on a road trip, this is the only option. It's a hypercar, a Grand Tourer, and an engineering marvel, all in one. Now, here's the big question. Would you call this a family car? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you made it this far, you clearly love extreme performance cars, so why not join the Prime Auto Insights community? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're bringing you the wildest car reviews every single day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.